Hey Mondo Makers, I'm Shahar Boyaya, and I'm back here at Curious Mondo with another course. This time, contemporary textile bags and purses. This is a very unique way to create bags and purses that everybody will really adore. We are going to cover 4 different techniques for this course, and we are going to also create together a sample purse. It's an asymmetrical purse that covers all 4 techniques. So painting on canvas for bags is one of them, very fun, very easy. The Faux Chenille is an amazing technique that you can create all types of bags with that, and people just go like it's a showstopper. Also, the faux burn technique, they really stop you and say, wow, how did you make that? And the free machine embroidery for bags. Not only that, besides these 4 techniques and a bonus one about appliques on bags, we are going to put together this sample purse and create a decorated type of handle. So really, everybody will think, where did you get that? How did you make that? And that's what you want when you're creating your own pieces. Have in mind that all 4 techniques create amazing purses and bags out there that you can use different patterns that you have. You can create different ideas going from that. So join me at curiousmondo.com.